So you joined me today on this beautiful, beautiful weather today. Not to mention that it's freezing. I'm going outside. So I have a small little announcement to make. I'll close this. First, I'm just gonna say I just got back from the gas station. I got me a little fountain drink. So good. I'm starting to go there a lot now. But yeah, I haven't uploaded in what is it, over a week now? It just feels like I'm starting to run out of ideas a bit. Yeah, this is just probably gonna give me something to upload. I do have a new arrival that's coming in through the mail, but I actually want you guys to guess what it is. Or no, the only hint I'm gonna give out, it's a Bachmann engine. But is it Bachmann branch line or Bachmann USA? That is something that I want you guys to find out. So, yeah. Okay, how many of you guys out there wants to see Commonwealth of Australia wheel slip with 5 coaches? Here we go. Can I get that in slow motion? Slow motion, take... Okay, I looked back at the slow motion footage, and unfortunately, I think Commonwealth of Australia might be a bit too heavy to wheel slip. So I'm bringing in something lighter, and she is coming in shot now. You all know who she is. Okay, slow motion take 2. Well, I just looked back at it. That was really awesome to see. So now, this is something that I did before, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna record the sound. I'm not gonna turn the camera off this time because there's gonna be no point. Oh, it's upside down. Normal, right? Listen to it in slow motion. Sounds kind of odd, doesn't it? I think it's, I don't know if you can hear it that well because I'm tender on Mallard's too light. So I'm going with Commonwealth, and we'll see what a difference that makes. Alright, here we go. I just absolutely love taking these slow motion shots because you get to learn a lot. Man, I love slow motion. Oh, it's getting hung there. There we go, Miss Commonwealth of Australia. I probably should have said that. I'm sorry, guys. Commonwealth of Australia is on the line. Okay, flashlight turning on so you can see everything. Get it in focus. Alright, now let's try it back up to this coach and see what sound effect we get. can you hear a difference on that? I think there's a slight difference, meh, here and there. But other than that, yeah, it's really interesting to find out the sounds that you actually hear in slow motion, which I think is very, very, very interesting. Slow motion is something like the best thing you can get. I'm filming on my my iPhone 6 at 240 frames per second. That's like the slowest that an average iPhone can go. I don't know if the modern ones can go much slower than that, at around 300 frames per second plus, or at around the 400 frame per second mark. I'm not too sure. But what I would love to get, if they make it, and if it's not too expensive, is a camera that can shoot at around 1000 FPS or 1000 frames per second, so that way you can catch everything much clearer and all that on the frame rate. And yeah, it'll be awesome. Sorry, Rainbow Dash, I don't think you're going to be able to get a train ride unless you have a train ticket. But yeah, please tell me what you guys think. I would love to hear your thoughts on the tension lock couplings engaging properly once they connect to a rolling stock to an engine in slow motion. But yeah, it's really interesting. I feel like it has more of that kind of, if I'm not wrong, that realistic sound when the chain link coupling goes on from one hook to another and whatnot. But yeah, I think I might try it with some of my stock that has the knuckle couplers, if you can see that properly. There you go, maybe just ish. But yeah. And yeah, the new announcement of a new arrival that's coming in the mail. I just ordered it Monday, and I'm just dying for it to get here. This engine's gonna be very, very special to me. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. All I can tell you that it's a Bachmann. Whether it's a Bachmann USA or Bachmann branch line, you will have to figure. I want you guys to figure that out yourself. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see it. I can't wait to get it. I'm hoping I'll unpackage it when it gets here. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you when this new arrival gets here. One thing I did forget to mention, and I haven't said this in a while in my videos, go check out GWR64 Pannier and Seabreeze Station, my two friends on YouTube. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.